How do you fix holoVillage? Our Cozy Days game is crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to your library and right-click on the game and open up the Properties window. Now, in the General tab, Launch Options box, you want to add -DX11. Then go to Installed Files and verify the game files. Now, once this process is completed, you want to close Steam and then open up your browser and head to this link, which is going to be in the description. Now from this table, you will need to get the latest redistributables installers, the 86 version and the 64. Install both of them. Once you finish the installation, this will restart or ask you to restart your computer. Now, right after the restart, you will also need to check you have the latest GPU driver updates installed. So for NVIDIA GPUs, you will need the NVIDIA app, which you can download from the website, and go to drivers here and check for updates and make sure to install the latest driver updates. And if you're running AMD, you'll need to install the AMD software. Now all you need to do is right click on Steam and run as admin, and then just launch the game from your library. This should fix the crash problem. Thanks for watching and subscribe.